Hello, how's it going? This is part 6 of the block puzzle tutorial game on Android. So today we will continue with the draw the board. Right, so for the previous video we learned how we drew the uh, the board with the background. Okay, so this we let's to continue. Let's do something with this. So let's go back to the paint pot and alright, I will define something. Alright, so for the bitmap here I will define another that the title stone. Alright, and here for the title stone we will get the stone PNG here. Alright, so just put the name of the file here, jump to the paintboard and get free cell to draw the stone. Set the block rate. Alright, copy this. For here I will get file here, and then I draw the stone, tile stone. Let's run it. Alright, alright, so you can see the stone on the board here for the position 5 and the column 5 and the row 5 here, because we start from the 0 for the first row and the first column, so the 5 is just the 6 if you count it. Alright, so now for the stone, yes, for the stone here, because it is we use a matrix for this. We use a matrix for update the stone, and we can check the row of the stone, so we can remove the row or the column if it fixed on the board. Alright, so we need to define a matrix, use integer for the data matrix stone. So in the original code you can see the matrix, not the stone, but in this tutorial I need to make it more clearly so you can understand easy. Alright, so in the board side here, and alright, so after the side initializes, we will create a matrix. We go new integer matrix with the row is the size, and also the column is also the size. Alright, so I will set the matrix 5 and row 5, and for the column if 5 equal 1. So we will define if the element on the matrix equals 1, we will draw the stone, and if not, maybe 0, we will do nothing. Alright, so for here we also use the use the loop here, and after we draw the background, we will check on the matrix if the matrix stone and row and column equal 1, we will draw the board here, draw the stone. Alright, so let's run it again to see the result. Alright, so the result is same with previously, right? We can alright, so after we use we define a matrix for the stones, and then we draw the stone on the board. So now we will complete something in the background of the game, so make it more beautiful, right? So let's go back to the game world here, and before we draw we paint the board, we will right here I will define another pen here. Pen equal new pen, now set the color and alright, color need to be same with the grass in the board here. It's the green. Alright, so I will put the green, and then I will use canvas and draw the bitmap. And sorry, we draw the rectangle with the red gene from the top 0, left 0, and the top 0, and the right equal the alright, so here I will alright, so we need to define something new with the screen device width and device height, right? In and also we set the member of the class in the resolution here by width, and here I use device width and device height and pen. Right, let's run it. After draw a bitmap, I will draw the footer of the game, the place, the area that we put on the group of block, group of stone that we will move on the board. So green is yes, the green is a little not fit with the background. So alright, so I need to find the color code that fit this. Alright, for after search on the original shoot, I found the background green. So in here I will define the color for the background color, and it will be equal the, alright, for the color, pass the color from the string. Alright, and then we copy this and set to the color here, and let's run it again. Alright, so the color is very good. So now I will draw the footer, the area that we put the stone that we will hold on and put on the board. Right, so I will show you the footer background. So here is the footer background, and we will get it and draw it on the screen. So it's very similar with the background, footer background. And go back here and copy this code for easy to write. For the footer background, and I will define the yes, the background footer. Alright. Cool. Sorry, it to be flat, and Y, and width, and height. So here I need to set the alright, so for the 7, and for the width A, and here for 2, and here so we don't need the final. I just copy this to right. So in the set resolution, I will set the I don't need the code here. I forgot that we don't need to set the constant for the radial position. Right, so here I just get the device width and multiple width, and for the Y I will get the device height multiple width, and for here also the device width multiple width, and the device height multiple width. Right, and after that in the render world I will draw the footer background by call the canvas and draw the bitmap here, and in here I also alright, so we don't need to define many things like this. We just divide rect and the footer rect. Here I just new rectangle, and in here I just put the footer rect, and left just cat into the integer, because the rect left is a integer, so need to cat it. Alright, so we copy this, and just replace it by something, and right. Sorry, this is for the top right, and here for the right is 9, and for the bottom is the 9 also. And here I will draw the footer background, and here null and the footer rect and pen. Right, let's run it. Oh, I'm sorry. And here I need to change the footer background. So now we have the footer. Alright, so I will see you in the next video. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.